Hey guys, it's Tom. I'm here in the 2019 Farm Progress Show in Decatur, Illinois. We're here for Tractor Tools Direct, just trying to check out all the new vendors, some of the new products that they have to offer, talking about some of our equipment, maybe possibly getting some other equipment from new vendors, talking to old vendors, and much, much more. This is Tom from Tractor Tools Direct, and you're now watching In the Field. So my favorite part about today was being able to talk to people from all over the world. We got to speak with some vendors from Europe, some Italians. You guys know we sell a lot of Italian equipment, and some of the Italians that I was able to talk to today from the vendors, we might actually try to work with them and sell their products in the future. It was awesome to be able to talk to them, talk about their products, what products we might be interested in to sell to our customers in the future, as well as some of the other products that I'm personally interested in and that might fit in our line of equipment. So we saw some compact hay equipment, we saw a lot of large hay equipment, and it was cool to talk to some of the guys from some of these companies. Fendt, we talked to some Kuhn, we talked to Kubota, John Deere, Mashio, a lot of different companies, Zetter, and we learned a lot about the bigger equipment, and they appreciated what we do as far as for the smaller equipment, because they just don't do that. So I was able to learn from a lot of the larger equipment some upgrades and some things that we would like to see in our equipment possibly mimic and imitate on the larger equipment. So the massive amount of things that we come back from today, being able to talk to all these people, is what the agriculture industry is doing in the future. And what's happening now in 2019 at the Farm Progress Show is just absolutely amazing. You guys gotta come check it out if you're in the area. It's only $20 to come to the show. It's in Decatur, Illinois. It's a 2-day long event, and I guarantee you'll be here all day. They give out a bunch of free goodies. You'll be able to talk to a lot of amazing people who are more than happy to talk about agriculture with you, and they want to try to help grow the farm industry in general, just like we want to do as well. So one of my favorite things again today was not only seeing all the really cool things and a lot of the big equipment, but also being able to talk to a lot of people, a lot of the new people that I was able to meet that I'll probably try to grow a relationship with in the future. So hope you guys enjoy. We tagged you along today, and that's what I really enjoyed about today. So among many things that I learned today, I learned a lot about what the industry in general for agriculture is doing as far as protection, herbicides, pesticides, disease control, not only for hay and seeds, but for corn, soybeans, and many other plants. It was very much a learning experience for me, as I did not know about all the diseases and what these guys are doing. No specific company I can bring to mind, as we talked to so many, and they're all doing just a phenomenal job, and just together as a collab, they're all working very hard to put food on our table and keep the food and crops that our farmers across the country and across the world safe. And you know, they're really trying their hardest to control the disease, and I learned a lot about how that's being done and what diseases specifically are affecting corn and soybeans. And again, I can't stress enough to you guys, if you're in Decatur, Illinois, it's an awesome experience. These guys want to talk, they're very passionate about what they do.
Time, you think you can change it, or maybe rearrange it, but just when you've exchanged it for what you wanna say, The eons of humans are now a little planet. I seem to have proven our usual gambit. We're still on your hearts and we're still just gabbing.
So another really cool thing about today at the Farm Progress Show is that there's some equipment that I never will see other than at the show. So I hear about it. Sometimes we have customers call, but the forestry equipment that's here today, some of the larger hay baling equipment, and some of the larger row crop, it's just absolutely amazing to see the new designs that are coming out this year. The forestry equipment in particular, we saw a logging implement that was almost $600,000. Being able to go inside, talk about it, seeing what they do as far as design, and then being able to talk with them about the differences between what we sell as far as forestry and kind of homesteader packaging for people who are wanting to kind of do small logging at their show, at their house. They also have some of those things at these shows, but the larger equipment is just so awesome to see, and I highly suggest you guys should come out to the show.
The eons of humans are now a little planet. I seem to have proven our usual gambit.
So another really cool thing that we got to see at the Farm Progress Show in Decatur, Illinois this year in 19 is the larger round bales and square balers. And we just thought that was so cool to see the inner workings on how the bigger round bales work, the compression style balers, the fixed chamber roller balers, and how really close they are as far as build quality and features that come in our mini round bales. So among many other things that we got to see at this show with the rakes and all the haymaking equipment and all the cutting devices and large scale production, small scale production, we are talking about potentially going to the show in the future because we didn't get to see too much compact and small production material as far as equipment goes, but we did get to speak with a lot of big manufacturers that do make the smaller equipment. They just unfortunately don't show that at these shows. So if you guys again want to see anything from us in the future as far as new products, or if you like anything that we currently sell, or if you currently own some of our products and just want to give us some praise, feel free. Follow us on our YouTube channel, on our Facebook, get on the discussion forum. That's being very active lately. We appreciate everybody on there. And let us know if you want to see any more videos from us in the future. We're going to be going down to the Moultrie Sunbelt Ag Expo this year in Georgia in next month, so just a few weeks away. So feel free, send us some messages, hit us up on social media platforms, and we'll be happy to talk to you guys, and hopefully we'll come out with some more videos here soon, including the Moultrie Sunbelt Expo in October. So thanks again, guys. Enjoy the video. Hey guys, it's Tom from Tractor Tools Direct. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, check out our Facebook forum, and comment on any topics you'd like for us to cover in the future.